PSIR is a very important subject in the term of preparation, because you know that the general studies second paper is cover almost 50% through IR, internal relations and current or contemporary issues, and political science plays a very important role to cover your GS second along with your optional subject. So, the student who are engaging in the preparation of the civil service examination, then they can opt the political science as an optional subject, because if we think about the political science means political science as political science and international relation, whole PSIR, paper first and second, and this plays a very important role in the GS also. We can divide the whole syllabus in two parts: traditional political science and the contemporary political science. In a traditional political theory, and the political theory is the core subjective things, and then after political theories, political philosophies, section B, Indian government and politics, these are the political science subject basically, and then after political science and IR paper second, internal relations, contemporary issues, these are the very important, and we just cover all the things here. So we come first political science and internal relations, section A, political theory. Political theory, definition, nature and the scope of political science, approaches to the study of political science, traditional behavior systems and Marxist states. Definition, what is the state and its definition, theories of origin and the theories related to the function, liberal individualism, socialistics, sovereignty, meaning, type and theories, right, meaning, kinds and theories, liberty, meaning, kind and theories. We just go through topic each by each, and we cover all these topics in our optional subject batch. Justice, meaning, kinds and theories, relations between equality and the liberty. How can we relate equality and the liberty? Democracy, meaning, type, theories, liberal, socialist and the Marxist. Form of governments. We know there are different type of governments in the world, and in India, democratic governments, democratic and the authoritarians, unitary and the federal, parliamentary and presidential. Political institutions as a legislature, executive and judiciary. There are three political institutions. Political parties and pressure groups, they are very important points. Political parties and pressure groups. So we study about the political party, the regional, national. Electoral systems, what are the electoral systems and how can we become and use the adult franchisee. Political philosophies, the very important and core parts. Political philosophy, A, Indian political thinkers, as we study in our political science as a Manu, Kautilya, Gandhi, M.N. Roy and Ambedkar. We have to study only these five political thinkers as a Indian political thinkers. And Western political thoughts, we have know about the 13 political thinkers are there, and one by one we study about the Plato, Aristotle, Machiavelli, Hobbes, Locke, Rousseau, Mill, Hegel, Green, Marx, Lesky, Gatsby and Hannah Arendt. These are 13 political thinkers, Western political thinkers and 5 Indian. Total we have to study in a political thought subject, political thought, total 18 political thinkers we have to study, and we just go through each and every points like in details about their achievements and all things. Section B, paper 1, Indian governments and politics. Bharatiya Sarkar and Rajnit, Indian nationalism. The point number 1, causes for rise of nationalism, Bang movements in political history. We just go through the political history. Here the part we know about the political history. Non-cooperation movements, civil disobedience movements. Making of Indian Constitution, you know that this is a part 1 of the general studies, so we are suggesting you all that you just make as an optional subject political science. Legacy of British rule, silent features of the constitutions, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी, अमेंडमेंट्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस, अब तक जितने अमेंडमेंट्स हुए हैं वी स्टडी ऑल द अमेंडमेंट्स, यूनियन गवर्नमेंट्स, प्रेसिडेंट, प्राइम मिनिस्ट्रियल एंड द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स, परमानेंट ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट, पैरामीटर्स, पैरामाउंट्स, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स, गवर्नर, चीफ मिनिस्टर्स, council, state legislature and high court. High court, you know about the state, center state relations. We just go through the center state relations. Local staff government, municipality, look at the district level, municipal corporation and 74th amendments, Panchayati Raj and 73rd amendments. With just about local government. Local governments are very important government and it plays a local development. Political process, caste, regionalism, linguism and communisms in the politics. Political process है ये. Political parties, pressure groups and their roles, national integrations as UPSC, SPSC, EC, NITI, Ayog and HRC, Union Police Service Commission, State Public Service Commissions, Election Commissions, National Institute of Transforming National India, Ayog, HRC. These are now paper 2, political science and IR, section A, international relations. International relations, meaning, nature and scope. Theories of international relations, idealists, realist system and the decisions making theories. Factors determining the foreign policy as national interest, ideology, meaning of national interest. Means of national interest क्या होता है? Nationalism, imperialism and colonialism. इनका principle of balance of powers, how can we balance the powers, and collective security, role of international laws and diplomacy in international relations, UN organization and role, UN United Nations. Checking the international political order in the post-Cold War period, arm race and arm contracts, arm control. तो रोल ऑफ द रेलिवेंस ऑफ द नॉन अलाइनमेंट मूवमेंट्स, नैम का क्या रोल था उसको अब स्टडी करेंगे. रीजनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एज EU, यूरोपियन यूनियन, एशियान, अपेक, सार्क. न्यू इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमिक ऑर्डर, WTO, liberalizations, privatizations, globalizations. Contemporary issue in international politics as human rights, environment, terrorism and nuclear proliferations. And section B of IR, foreign policy and the contemporary issues, bilateral relations, multilateral relations, foreign policies of America, Russia, China, foreign policy of India and relations with America, Russia and China, India's relations with neighborhood countries as Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Palestine problem and Arab-Israel conflict, role of third war in international relations, North-South dialogue, South-South cooperations, Indian Ocean problem and prospects. These are the important points of the curricula of the UPSC for the political science and international relations. The brief, not just we here give you a syllabus according to the UPSC, but we not representing today detailed analysis, detailed topics we have to study in the future in our optional batch, but these are very sufficient and you have a knowledge about the syllabus to go for the preparing of any examinations, because of if we don't know about the syllabus or the curricula or the process of the selections or the preparing facts, then we cannot prepare very well about the subjects or our examinations. So if you want to preparing the UPSC CASE, then you first go through the syllabus of general studies, your optional subjects, and CSET also. Then you just start your preparation, and you can start your preparation with the Adhyayan Ias Academy, and Adhyayan Ias Academy is going to start the batch in January for 2024, and last mid of the December for the 2023. So you can enroll our website at very nominal charges, and we are going to start political science as an optional subject and the general studies 1 history ongoing month. Therefore, I request you all, please subscribe our channel to get engaged with Adhyayan Ias Academy. And Adhyayan Ias Academy is efforting and constructing a very positive environment for the candidates who are preparing for the civil service examination or the one-day examinations. But you need to just engaged with our channels and our thought process and our contents, so you can get a very good things in a very nominal, very minute times, very acute times. And so I request you all, please continue with us and raise your knowledge and queries, and become an future IAS, convert to the present IAS. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.